From quiet villages to modern cities, a generation of elders is teaching us what true wellness means. They are the keepers of balance, living proof that health, happiness, and longevity come not from wealth or youth, but from daily habits built on care, gratitude, and connection. In kitchens filled with the aroma of fresh food, they celebrate life one meal at a time. Every sunrise tells a story. In Japan, Italy, Kenya, and countless other places, seniors begin their mornings with calm intention. A simple breakfast, gentle stretching, or a quiet walk under soft light. These first hours shape the rhythm of the day. Nutritionists say whole grains, fruit, and proteins fuel energy, but for elders worldwide, the meal is also our ritual of peace. It's a moment to slow down, breathe, and be thankful for another morning. Across cultures, older generations have discovered the power of natural foods. In the Mediterranean, olive oil and herbs keep hearts strong. In Asia, green tea and fermented dishes restore balance. In Latin America, fresh fruits and grains sustain energy through long days. Their recipes are living traditions, blending science with memory. They remind us that food is more than fuel. It is medicine, culture, and love served on a plate. Whether it's a family table in India or a community lunch in Sweden, shared meals bring healing beyond nutrition. Scientists confirm what elders have always known. Laughter and companionship improve mood, strengthen immunity, and make food taste better. Around the table, generations mix stories with spices, turning ordinary meals into timeless bonds. For many seniors, companionship is the secret ingredient to a long, fulfilling life. From African farms to Scandinavian kitchens, older people embrace simplicity. They prefer slow cooking, fresh produce, and minimal waste. Their rhythm honors nature, taking only what's needed, appreciating every bite. Many live through scarcity, learning resilience and respect for food. That respect shapes their health today. Their wisdom whispers that longevity doesn't come from excess, but from balance, patience, and gratitude. Healthy aging isn't just about what's on the plate. Around the world, seniors stay active in quiet, consistent ways, morning walks, gardening, dancing, or mindful breathing. Their movements are small but meaningful, keeping body and mind aligned. They eat slowly, think kindly, and move gently. They have mastered the harmony between nourishment and motion, proving that wellness is not a race but a rhythm. The story of the world's elders is a story of grace, of lives lived with purpose, gratitude, and joy. Through their food, their patience, and their presence, they remind us that health is not simply the absence of illness, but the art of truly living. Each shared meal, each laugh, each step under the sun becomes a quiet celebration of being alive. They teach us that the secret to a long life is simple: eat with care, move with intention, and love without hurry. Because in the end, real wellness belongs to those who live slowly, live kindly, and live fully, one beautiful moment at a time.